these people work for him?
Oh, yeah. All these people work for him, and they really love him a lot because he gives them free food and free beer.
Yeah, well, why don't we have a beer?
Oh, okay.
Hey, who's the barrel standing next to the keg?
That's my grandfather. I really love my grandfather. That's okay. He's just family. I don't care what you say about him.
No, I meant he looks like a barrel of fun. I bet he's a rat left right, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, I bet you're a funny guy, huh? I bet a couple beers.
funny.
Yeah, no, I didn't mean nothing by it, honey.
Oh, I just misunderstood you. That's
Yeah,
all.
thanks.
Oh, hi. How you doing? Hi.
Jeez, she must have an inch of makeup on her face, for God's sake.
This is my best friend Vicky. She's an actress, and she never know when her picture's gonna be taken. And you said that in front of her every day.
No, what I meant is that, when it's bright sunlight, it's probably a good idea. It's good for her skin. It's kind of like a sunblock, It's probably really good. Yeah, she's probably smart. You'll go a long way there, sis.
Want to get a hot dog?
Sure, I'll get a hot dog. Look, this guy looks like a dick.
That's my Uncle Bill. I really like my Uncle Bill. I didn't call him a name. He's only family. That's okay.
Honey, that's a game I play, I guess names. He looks like a dick to me. It could be a Richard, maybe. It could be a Bill, huh? Yeah. Good to see you.